This is the 52-inch LED light bar from Nilight. This light bar is really robust and heavy duty. It's waterproof, takes up about just under 800 watts when you have it turned on fully. First of all, it's heavy duty. It's not a light bar by any means. But most of the weight is up here in the front with the casing and the LED light bulbs all the way down. There's 3 rows of single LED pads all the way down the middle of the light bar. Then on each end, there's more of a flood pattern. There's 18 LED lights inside of this particular reflective surface, so the light kind of bounces all directions from here. And these are more spot bulbs, so you've got quite a few. I mean, there's a lot of them in each row. It's heavy duty. One of the great things about it is it's got this effective heat dissipation. I don't know if you can see it. There's like these fins. There's quite a few of them, and they're really long, or I should say wide, to let the heat dissipate while this light bar is on. Came with a hardware bag with everything you need to mount this light bar. It's got the 2 support brackets for each end, which are adjustable based on how you want to have it angled. You can see little fins, and there's a matching set on the other side of the end of the light bar. It came with these rubber base pads, so you set these underneath there, so whatever you're mounting it to, you're not going to damage. That keeps that off the surface. Came with some Allen slab bolts. These go on the end of the bracket and attach to each end of the light bar for mounting once you've got it installed. It also came with some washers, nuts, and bolts to fix it to whatever you're going to mount it to. Nilight makes great products. These have been well known in the industry as durable and weatherproof. This should last a long time. There are quite a few different widths that you can purchase. Like I said, this is a 52. So one thing I want to make sure to talk about is that it's not actually 52 inches worth of light. The 52-inch dimension is from the end of this portion here where you mount the mounting bracket to the other side of the other end. So that's 52 inches that way. So take that into consideration when you're thinking about where you're going to place this. The power wires that come out of the one side, these look like they're about 14 gauge wires. This cable itself, the amount of wire you get here is about 28 inches, if I remember what I measured. That includes about 4 inches here that's already been stripped from the rubber coating. So you got a decent amount to work with wherever you're going to mount this to your power source. Overall, these lights are just heavy duty and really good quality. I mean, I'm touching this thing, it's in the sun, and it's hot. The design feature that's awesome about it is having these large heat dissipation fins on the back to keep the light cool. Impressive.